In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways on how can you add a card to Apple Wallet. To add to Apple Wallet, this procedure is very simple. Make sure to watch this video right till the end. Open up your settings and go to Wallet and Apple Pay. On the next field, you could see this sort of page. Now first thing, you have to make sure that you've already enabled Apple Pay or that you've already registered. And next, you want to scroll down a bit and go to Add Card. As you do it so, you will then be taken to this field where you need to go ahead and select whether it's a debit card or credit card or maybe a transit card. So select it accordingly, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and read about these terms and click on Continue. You'll have to actually click on Enter Card Details manually at the bottom of the page. Now then, go ahead and enter in the card details. That includes entering name, card number, and sometimes CVV code as well as expiry date, and click on the Next button. Moving on, you have to go ahead and enter the details here, and once done, click on the next button and click on Agree. As you're done with the terms and conditions, then you have successfully added the card, but you have to verify it so that it's valid. So for the verification, you want to select whether through text, email, or maybe the particular bank itself or the credit card company itself, and select it so. Then once you've actually completed verification, then you've successfully added a card to Apple Wallet, and now you're all set to use. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.